Alright. We're going to install stereo on L6060. So we're going to need this bracket. Stereo reinforcing bracket. This is the sleeve for the stereo. Well, that's not Snowflake. I got the wrong. Anyway, I'll have to get a different adapter. Just open this little thing up. We'll have to go to the customer if he wants to take the stereo out. Some extra bits. I need this rubber thing here. Go ahead and plow that rubber thing right on the end there and push that in there. Ooh, nice Bluetooth radio. Get some weight to it. Ah, so we got that, we got that, we got that. We got a 10 mil on a ratchet. Screwdriver. And I'm gonna have to go find a wire harness. Alright, I got my harness. Got the plug in. This is all ready to go. Alright, to do this correctly, we're gonna get up in here. Ooh! Just the seat backwards. Just all. So we're gonna go around and pop all these caps off. Alright, don't lose them, don't drop them. Put them right here. Put my tool right here. 10 mil. Start this way. Hopefully we can. My bad. I was trying to go too fast. Trying to beat traffic. Oh, I forgot to take that one out. So stupid. Now there are, like, I think 6 more bolts in the back tail section here, but we're gonna leave those in. It'll be flexing enough just to get the roof tilted up enough to do what we need to do. This out. I'll save it. Alright, now see the roof can go up a little bit. Ladder. There's my phone here. Very careful. Oh, there's just one to go. More than enough room. Seems to work well for me. Alright, some of this part might seem awful. Here's what it is. Try to get the best view. You might just want to give this cover a little squeeze. Just give it a little squeeze until you get it through. Trust me. There we go. that baby in and I squeeze it back. Got a reinforcement piece right here. And slide that all the way on. Now, just make sure that that piece is beyond this piece. I like to push my tool in here and expand it. We'll do both sides. Do the bottom. Go back over here, do the bottom again. Now these little tabs, just push them all. Every single one of them. Don't go crazy. If they want to go, give it to them. Now that's in there good. Alrighty, so I'll get the radio started here. And go ahead and pull this little rubber plug out, this little bracket right here. Pull this baby out. Just pull it out. And we'll toss towards the trash area. And that little rubber plug we installed. Now you have to might bend this bracket down a little. Put the radio all the way back until, you know what I didn't do? These little tabs here. Get these little tabs on the side to push back in because I bent them out at the beginning. There we go. I hear it now. Doing its thing. Click. Is that double click? One more click. Oop, hear it. Did we put it upside down right? Good. Alright, so that's how you do that. Then you want your antenna. Plug that in. And hide over here under this white tape. I'm going to use white tape this time. And then plug the radio harness in. Just kind of, these wires are all kind of resting nice and neat. Go ahead, get these foam things out of here. How's that fit? What was your footing? Get our screws here. See, these have a taper on the end. Just go ahead and get it started. Make sure you're pushing straight up. And just get it started halfway. Nice and easy. Straight up. Straight up. Give it a little spin. This is the easiest way I've found to do it. Oop. Beep. That's right, we sent the bolt flying earlier. Working too fast. Alright, put this on the floor. I got it, that bolt. Oops, forward. Alright, they're all halfway started. I just screwed in a plastic, so Just an easy ugga-dugga. Oh, there's my machine, 057-5, yeah baby. Alright, put your caps all back on. And if you're doing this, make sure you wash your hands before, or else you're just gonna have a bunch of fingerprints that it's gonna be miserable to clean. Hands are pretty clean. Alright, I haven't hooked up the, let me hook up the radio, hook up the battery. We got the battery, we got power. Ooh, we got stereo power. We're inside, so we're not gonna get good reception. Let's turn that baby on. Set the station on. Whew, copyright claims left and right here. Alright, I got back to one. So what you want to do now is hold the menu button down. And then we're going to back up to set clock, hit enter. It's saying 12 p.m. I think we're in the, it is close, 11:56. Enter. We'll go backwards, faster to get there. Boom, hit enter, done. Hit number 1, brings us back to the beginning. 11:57, station 83. This is Ryan, off our power plant. Thank you for joining me. Oh, Godsmack, you know you're another copyright claim.
You're sitting there, you gotta navigate all these idiots in your car. Like,
can't forget the most important part of a stereo installation. Fiber tight.
What is that?
We'll just run through this whole process with you. This bolt right here.
Was that Vietnamese? What did you just say? I don't know what that is.
Undo that one.
94?
Look at that one's already loose.
94, they don't go that high. They've never gone that high. Is there going to be a meal number 94?
Yeah. You want to keep your antenna 3. That's one drop.
No, they don't have wedding cake. Nobody has wedding cake. You physically can't eat a whole wedding cake. Alright, dude.
Oh crap, that one's actually tight this time.
I'm just scared of our soda.
Nevertheless, one drop again. That's tight. That's tight. Oh, my bad. Got to angle it. And the final third drop. You don't have to worry about your antenna falling out. Click.